सुरुमा के किचन में आपका स्वागत है। आज मैं आपके लिए एक बढ़िया सा स्पेशल सा डिश लेके आई हूँ जो बच्चों को बहुत पसंद है। विदाउट ओवन, वेरी नाइस chocolate cake. So guys, before I should start, please subscribe my channel and put icon bell, also bell icon, because if you not put bell icon you cannot get my notification what is my next recipe. So guys, let's start chocolate cake without oven in idli cooker. So let's start. So guys, this chocolate cake, we don't want too much thing like lots of, just easily you can make it within 5 minutes for your children, and he also, yes, she also very like. For this recipe we need different type of chocolate biscuit. I was take 3 type of chocolate biscuit. If it is very dark, color is coming very nice. I take bourbon, Oreo and Bournvita biscuit. You guys are like any biscuit you can take it. Then I need small milk and any chocolate. So guys, let's start. First, what do you do? We have to grind all this biscuit. Then gradually how to make, I will show you. So guys, let's start chocolate biscuit. Yummy, मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. My son is very like this my recipe. So guys, let's start. So guys, I already grind the chocolates biscuits. Now I am going to mix very slowly. If you guys anybody chocolate syrup, you can put it, but I am skipping because if you like the chocolate syrup, you can put it. It will nice smell coming, but I am using milk. But milk also need. You have to mix very well. You should not put too much milk, just small. We'll mix it very properly. You mix it. In market, lot of plenty chocolate syrup is available, so you can put it any chocolate syrup. But I prefer always milk. Milk is coming very nice to mix it, but it is anybody's choice. You can use it on your own choice. Then if you like, you want to put small sugar, you can put it, but chocolate biscuit, inside the biscuit is already sugar is there, so I did not put it sugar. Just like that I mix it. Any shape you can use it. Different now in market you can get it available, very nice designable chocolate cake shapes. You can use it. But right now I am using idli cooker. So I am making in idli cooker. So guys, let's start in idli cooker. See, I already mix it very thick. Should not put too much light. आपको लाइट नहीं करना है, आपको थिक रखना है थोड़ा केक. देखिए कैसा एकदम डार्क कलर. जितना आप डार्क कलर चॉकलेट बिस्किट लेंगे उतना ही इसका अच्छा सा कलर आएगा. So I already mix it. Now inside the idli cooker I will put butter, then I will put inside. Okay, so guys, let's start. So now I am going to put butter inside. Just small butter, you mix it, just small, so it will not touch in the down. If you don't have butter, you can use the oil also. So I already mix it. Now I am going to put the chocolate mixer. Just slowly I will put it inside. Very easy this chocolate cake, and your child also like very much. It's my guarantee. They like so much this chocolate cake. So much means so much. They will like it. Please guys, try this one. Chocolate cake, very. I hope chocolate cake every children they like. And there is no any difficult things, everything you can get it in available. Then I put chocolate in top. Okay, so now I decorate. Now I am going to put now idli cooker for heat the water. Then we will put inside, just maximum 5 minutes and it will done. So guys, let's start. Let me put the idli cooker. So guys, now I already on the gas. So I put the idli cooker inside. So after hot the water, I will put that chocolate mix inside. So just maximum 5 minutes you can put it, it's enough. Then your chocolate cake is ready to eat. And I hope your children will like. It's my guarantee. So the water is already hot. Now I am going to put this paste inside, that chocolate paste. Then I will cover it just for 5 minutes. Only for 5 minutes. Just lower the flame, not too much. Middle flame you can put it. So let's wait for 5 minutes, then our chocolate cake is ready. Our is already 5 minutes done, our chocolate cake is ready. So now you're going to check. Now we'll off the gas, okay? And we'll keep for cool for few minutes. See, our chocolate cake is almost done. Now we keep for few minutes cool, then we will serve it. So guys, now very carefully, slowly we have to remove the cakes. Without oven, you try this cake. So guys, our chocolate cake is ready. See, look, very yummy and very tasty. Just 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, this chocolate cake is ready to serve. please give it to your child, even the bade ko bhi, they will like so much, I hope, and it's my guarantee they will like it. But before I should finish, so guys, please again subscribe my channel and put icon bell, so you will get the notification my next recipe. Thank you guys, bye bye.